Hey guys, it's me, Ray, and today we are going to be opening this Nickelodeon slime, Super Slime Studio. It's not just like the any other ones, it's the studio. So let's get started. Okay, let's open it from here. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, got one side. And I got the other side. Okay, put this here. Oh, the magic! Just a little sneak peek. Okay. Ooh, so first we have the blender. Oh my goodness, what's it about? Oh yeah, it's all the way here. Okay, so we got the base, of course. Okay, so is that it? Oh, that's not it. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Got many things here. Can't forget the main stuff. Okay. Push this aside. Okay, so first we have the blender. Here's the top with nice, cool detail. It's like running down. Then here's the bottom. Oh, you can open it, get the slime out, and the top to add the ingredients. Then we have the clear slime glue, and also 2 bottles of white glue slime. We also have 2 bottles of activator to activate the slime. And then, we got the base with the other things in the pack. We got, let's open this up. Here's the easy follow instructions. Just the wrapper. So here's the base. And we also have some stickers to put on the containers. Oh, nice. And it looks like on the bottom, like you can write what slime it is. And here's the other stuff. Ooh. Okay, and perfecto. Oh, okay, so that's why. So here's the blender top. This like moves around. Let's put it on the blender. Bam, just like that. Wow, look at the magic. And then this will go right here. And then there's a spot for the clear slime glue. All nice and snug. And one for the white slime glue. Okay, there's none for the other one, but put that there. Then a spot for the slime activator. Not another one for the other one. And then, let's see. So it comes with 6 pots of paint. Yellow, green, pink, and blue. And another set of pink and blue. So there's only a slot for 4. So I'm going to put these 4. Okay. So you have to twist them just to get them off. So I'll put the blue one right here. Then I'll put this beautiful neon pink right here next to the blue. Then I'll put this nice sunshine looking yellow right there. And last but not least, the green. That over here. Ooh, beautiful. So we have this vial of purple glitter as well as and 2 other vials of silver and gold. God, how beautiful that is. So I'm going to put them right here. There's a slot for all three. And then we also have these guys. Can't get it open. Nope, not another opening. And voila! Okay, so we also have little measuring cup, which can go right there. We also got a 4 containers, also complete with lids. You can put in your slimes, and those will go right there. Perfecto. And we also got this pretty confetti sprinkles, iridescent sprinkles. And I don't want to take it out and make a big mess, so I'm just going to put it in the slot right there. And we also have, yes, we also have these fishbowl beads. Just put those there. And we also have, let's see, we have 6 popsicle sticks, but looks like there isn't a slot for them. There's also this cute little green spoon that will go right there. Okay, and this I'll just put right there. Amazing. So, these instructions. See, you can make you can make confetti slime, mermaid slime, unicorn slime, crunchy, green glitter, galaxy, and rainbow slime. Okay, I'm going to start off by making some confetti slime. Let's open up the blender. Okay, that's his side. And I'm going to use the clear slime glue. Let's put that in. Just like so. Okay. It's like, thanks, Mom. See, I have to open up like that. Oh, that's why. There's a little thing here. Oh my goodness, it's so messy. Yeah, there's a little thing here. Okay. Let's put that right there. Okay, and let's just put that in. Put a little bit. So I'm really familiar with these kits, but I'm just gonna add like 3 pumps. That's good. Now for the water step, I'm gonna follow that step. Close it up and put it back. It's locked. Okay, I'm gonna get tissue real quick. Wipe my hands all gooey. Okay, so let's add some water. It says to add 25 milliliters of water. Okay, I'll be right back. So I'm back with 25 milliliters of water, and I'm just gonna pour that in the blender. Wow, look at that. Look at that, guys. It's all watery right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mix that in for now. Put the cap on. Start mixing it. Wow. The look how fast it goes. There are different ways you can do it. You can just set it on the table and mix it. And, other ways. So I'm going to open it back up. Ooh. Set that right here. And I'm going to pick some glitter. I know I'm already adding some glitter, but I'm just going to go ahead and add these beautiful silver. Ooh. I can't get this open. I'm not going to use it then. Okay, then let's just add the confetti. Comes in a nice packet like that. You can just open it like so. Add it in. I'm going to add half of it. Look how pretty that looks. Wow. Okay. Put the top back on. Let's start mixing. Ooh, that looks so pretty, you guys. Look at that. Keep on mixing until it's fully mixed. Now that I'm done with mixing it, I'm going to go ahead and add the slime activator. Open it up, and there's a slot right in the back, and you can just pour it in. And there's another wrapper again. So frustrating. At least this one's easy. Okay, put it back on. And now we squirt it in. So sometimes Nickelodeon likes to overactivate their slime, so I'm just gonna eyeball it. Now that I've got it in, I'm gonna slowly start mixing it. Ooh, it's starting to kind of become slime. Not really. Let me add a little more. Okay. That. Ooh, I can see it's already forming. Can't wait. Ooh. So now I'm just going to add a little more activator. There we go. And start mixing. Keep on mixing until it is fully mixed. Ooh, oh my goodness. Look at the blender, you guys. The mixer utensil thing right here. It's starting to really come together. Keep on mixing it. Ooh, okay, I'm going to add a little more. It's still kind of watery, you guys. Okay, added some. What's that? Just like that a little. And start mixing. Ooh, now it's not really watery. Guys, can you see it? Ooh, I can't wait for this confetti slime. This is my first time. Wow, okay, so I'm gonna take it out and you can see the slime already. Wow, I can feel it, and that's like already really good. And it's actually really clear. I'm really surprised. So I'm going to keep on mixing it so all of it is completely mixed together. Ooh, it's so cool. Okay, I think it's okay for me to start kneading it. Oh my goodness, you guys. This is what I have right now. Ooh, look at that slime. It's still really sticky, but it It's stringy as well, but it's so pretty. Look at that. Wow. So cool. It's really squishy. Okay, so I'm going to get the rest off of this, off the blender cap. Ooh, it's so pretty. And I'm also, oh my goodness, you guys. Look at that. Look inside. Yeah, I'm definitely going to have to get that. Okay, but look at that, you guys. That is so pretty. Oh, I'm actually really happy that I did not overactivate it. Look at it. It's so neat. Little ASMR. Ooh. Okay, it's not stretchy enough for me to make a bubble really, but it's still really nice. Grab a container, put it in. Perfect. Okay. And this right here. See this, guys? It's all really still in there. Ooh, let's see if I can still mix it up. Get it out. Ooh, nope. Not really. So I'm gonna be right back so I can clean the studio blender out. Ooh, look at that. Okay, still kind of there, but I don't mind. Put that back. Okay, so now that we've got that already made a nice confetti slime, we're gonna go ahead and make a nice fishbowl slime. Ooh. Okay, so first I'm gonna use the white glue this time. The white glue. Get that out. Perfect. Okay. Add some white glue into there. There we go. So I added about 5 pumps of glue into there. Now I'm gonna add 25 milliliters of water. Perfect. Got the water right here. I'm gonna pour it in. Wow. So excited. Okay, now I'm gonna take it, put the cap on, and start mixing. Ooh. Hurry up and mix. Takes a while for the glue and the water to be combined. But look at that, it's all like white. That. Now that we've got that, I'm gonna go ahead and make color. I'm gonna add this very beautiful sky blue into it. Okay, lid. All of that off. Okay. It's gonna add just a little bit, like at least that much. Give it a little tint. Perfect. I can't wait to see how this comes out. Oops. Okay, so this time I'm gonna add gold for real. Ooh, look how pretty that is. Just gonna add like that much. Ooh, I bet this is gonna be so pretty. Now take this, put the cap back on. Perfect. Let's start mixing this beautiful wonder up. It's looking really pretty. Wow, and I really like how the glitter is like fine. Look at that, that's so pretty. Let's go ahead and add activator. Perfect. Mix that around first. All of it. Now we start mixing. Whoa, that's really starting to stick off. Off of the area around the blender. Ooh, it's really working the magic. So I'm going to add a little more activator. Put that everywhere around and start mixing. Ooh, I think it formed. It's really hard to mix now. Okay, let's just take this off. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Stuck. Oh, that feels really nice. A little overactivated. Okay. I'm gonna put the bottom back on and keep on mixing until I'm satisfied with how it is. Or not. I'm gonna go ahead, take the top off now. Ooh. Ooh, look at that sky blue color. Look at that. It's so pretty. It does still have a little of the confetti in it. Still nice. Okay. I don't think I'm gonna add the beads this time. That is so pretty. Look at that. So neat. I'm gonna take a container and put it in. Like so. Wow. So I made 2 slimes today, and I hope you enjoyed my video today. Make sure to subscribe and give a thumbs up on this video, and also turn on your notification bell so anytime I make a new video, you will know. Thanks for watching. Bye!